Hello guys, we are back with another video. Another video on the calculated columns. So wait a second. Yeah, let me fix my mic first. I don't know why it's not okay, so leave it. So now we have another exercise. We will create two new calculated column using context transaction and one not. So okay, so we will download this file from here. As we know, I have already downloaded the file here, and we will open the Power BI and we will open the product table as mentioned here. So I will go here and the product table is here. It's giving us product ID, product name, animal, and then legs. So it's saying that use the SUMX function to add the following calculated columns. We need to add three calculated columns: total sales, sales for the product, and product contribution. And yeah, so our final output should look like this. So let's try to add these columns and let's see if we are getting the accurate values or not. First of all, we will take this total sales column. So I will go in here, table tools ribbon, I will click new column and I will go here and I will name this column as total sales. So it's suggesting us to try this SUMX functions. So SUMX function from this, and we need the total sales. So total sales would be how much quantity we have sold and at what prices we have sold. So we will use SUMX and then we will use this purchase purchase table, and from purchase table we will use this price. At what price, where it is, yeah, at what price and how much of the quantity we have sold. So if I just write quantity Q, then it's giving us the value, and if I click enter, then it's giving me the value as 526041.26. everything we are getting same value for each, and if we drag little down here, then it is also giving us the same values, which means that our formula is correct. Now what we need to do, we need to make one more column which is sales for product. So this is an overall sales. Now we will do the sales for the product. So if you see here, we have a product name column. So now we will show the sales for each product, like Sammy, Pokio, Vanilla, Lila, Dave. So each of these products must have a different value. So we will do this. So we will add one more column and we will name it as sales for product. Sales for product. So earlier, if you see what we have done, we have taken SUMX. If we take SUMX similar here and we do purchase, then we do price, purchase price into quantity, sorry, the quantity, purchase quantity, then we will get the same values here. If you can see, 526041.26, everything is same. But here we have this product name column. So we will use calculate here. What calculate do? Calculate creates the ability to modify the filter context. So if we do calculate and then we just close this and enter, then you can see the values here are different for each of the different products. So using calculate, it gives us the value to filter the data. So for Sammy, it has filtered down the data and it is now giving us the final output, which is this one. Now there is this third column we need to create, production contribution. So production contribution, it's directly giving us, we need to divide the second column with the first. So I will add one more column here as production contribution. So I will divide this sales for product divided by total sales. Now it's giving us the values in decimal, which is 0.3696. So we will click on the column and directly we will go in this ribbon and we will click on this percentage. After clicking on this percentage, we will get direct percentage values here. So we are getting the values as 36.96, 2.02, 1.15, 5.99, and we can, if we go and match 36 to 1501, so yeah, and the last is 4. Okay, so we are getting an accurate values according to the site whatever we have. So now that's it, we have successfully done another exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.